Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with a second puzzle in not today's newspaper, no, today's newspaper is on Saturday, November the 6th. No, today we have no additional in the Saturday's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle of a Monday, November the 1st, 2021. I've already solved one. The letter Sudoku. There are two Sudokus left. Sudoku with 2 stars. And a tectonic puzzle with 1 star. But first, I will solve this 2 stars Sudoku. And this will be number 3646. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, and for a 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers in the middle column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, and look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 8. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with 8. How about the number? Let me see. Okay. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Yeah. And I need to wait. Okay. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. 5 in the first row, column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. Then. How about see. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 3, 7, 3, 7, 8. I'm thinking. 4, 4, 6. Four missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. We see a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Well, we see there and 6. So no 6 here. The only place for the 6 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, let me mark those two boxes, so one box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4, 4, 3, 7. Then two numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. All right. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the... We have a pair. 3 and a 4 in this row. 3 and a 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places for the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those. 3 and the 4. All right. Then. Let me see. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 8 and the 9. Apologies. Let me position the camera. 8 and the 9. Well, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Can I continue with 8? Let me see. Yeah, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. One box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Okay. A 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next to only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, a 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, a 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright. How about this number in this big square? 1 missing number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and a 9. How about let me see, 3 and 4. Yeah, these 2 numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Apologies. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row, the middle row. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes, and I'm really pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up and otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.